The all-terrain pallet truck is here. The versatile unit is most suited for a construction yard, gravel pits, and nurseries. The large wheels allow for movement over most surfaces. The lightweight yet strong tubular design handles evenly distributed loads up to 2,000 pounds. The all-terrain pallet truck features 16-inch front pneumatic tires and 10-inch pneumatic steering wheels. Individual forks are 4 inches wide and 2 inches high and adjustable. The standard service range, 3 to 9 inches. It's easy to operate with a 3-position handle, up, down, and neutral. An optional tow bar package allows the all-terrain pallet truck to be towed by an ATV or a small utility tractor. It's designed for pulling in either loaded or unloaded positions. Get the all-terrain pallet truck today.